Hello everyone. Today's recipe is beef stew. Isn't this looking yummy? Welcome to my return subscribers. If you are new here, thank you for subscribing. So stay tuned.
Yes guys, today we're going to be making beef stew. Beef stew. I love beef stew so much. Likewise my husband. Each time he asks, what are we having for dinner today? When I say beef stew, you will hear, really? That's how much he loves it so much. The recipe is so amazing. He's always happy the whole day because he's going to have beef stew today. So guys, I promise you, you're going to love it. But first of all, let's start with the beef.
So today I am going to be using 1 kilo of roast, and then I will cut it into a small chunk like 2 inch. Next, I am going to season with a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of dried black pepper, and then generously give this a good mix. Coming in will be a small amount of oil on my preheated pan, and then add my meat to brown. On this process, we're going to be going on a high heat. Just a quick one, if this happens to you guys on the process of trying to brown your meat, see a lot of stock that is producing, this is not meant to be, but if it happens, do not worry about that. Just it's either you let this stock dry up, or you gently grab a sieve and then strain it out. Look at this, what I'm doing. Just transfer my meat to the sieve and strain out all the water, all the stock, sorry. Next, I am going for another pan, add some oil to this and start all over again in peace. So now we can roast gently without any stress. This stock, do not throw it away, save it for a later use. See how beautiful brown our meat is looking here. So the next step, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Do not let this burn, and then I'm going to deglaze with a red wine. Doing this process, I love it. You can as well deglaze with water, but this will give it a lot of taste.
Like you can imagine how it all smells so good. Yes, I love it.
Now I'm going to add our preserved beef stock, you remember? Yeah. And then I will add some beef broth. I don't have much of this, I only have small amounts. And then transfer to your saucepan, and with the same pan I am going to add some amount of oil to roast my vegetable. First I am going to add the onion, Coming in next is the celery root. And then cut Paysan carrots. Saute these to get just the fine roast flavor on this vegetable, and then I am going to set it aside. I do not actually love to add it at the beginning because it's going to overcook. That's why I'm going to add it later. So now we are going to continue to cook our stew. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Like I said earlier, I don't have much beef broth at home. If you have more at home, you can go for it. But now I am going for 2 cups of water. And then to my seasoning bag, I am adding 2 bay leaf and also some Jupiter berries and some peppercorns. Add this to your stew to cook, and then I am going to add 1 garlic clove. Adding some taste, I am going to go for vegetables powder and then 1 teaspoon of salt.
We're going to let this boil on a high heat and then lower it to simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes while we come back to add the potato and then the rest ingredients.
It's been 25 minutes now, and we're going to add our potato to this to cook for about maybe 15 minutes. And then we will come back to add the rest ingredients. So 15 minutes is past. Our potato is cooked. Now I am going to add the mirepoix. And then I am going to add 1 chopped red bell pepper. This is just to give a beautiful look and also some freshness. I'm going to take off this seasoning bag because I'm sure we have enough flavor already. Then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of cranberry jam. Yeah, this gives it a little bit sweetness and also tastes good. Cover this for 5 minutes to cook, and then here we go. It's all looking good. I am going to mix 1 tablespoon of corn flour to thicken this. So it's all mixed with water. Add this to your stew just to thicken it, and then yeah, it's good to go. We are ready to eat our stew. Everywhere smells good. I just wish you could smell it. It's awesome. It's also looking good, isn't it? Yeah, it's time to plate and enjoy our meal. Look at that. So guys, thank you very much for always tuning in. Thank you for being part of this program. I appreciate you all so much. So please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Give it a thumbs up if you like this recipe. This is the finished look. It's looking very yummy, and yeah, it tastes good also. You can dish this with any pasta of your choice, or you can as well eat it just like that. Yeah, see you in my next video. I am going to garnish this with some parsley and enjoy my meal. See you. Bye for now.
So guys, it's time to taste. I promised you guys it's good. I love it. Like perfect.